Craft the art with water's flow, grounding of earth, wind's grace, sky's vastness, fire's passion, nature the inspiration. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Or if you're new here, I am Tushar. I share my passion for abstract art every week. I believe the art is not just about what you see, but what you feel. And one of the most expressive and immediate ways to translate your feelings onto canvas is with this incredible tool, the palette knife. And in this video, I'm going to demystify the palette knife and show you the fundamental techniques that will add a whole new dimension to your abstract work. So grab your pens, a canvas, a sense of adventure, and let's make some magic. First things first, let's talk about our tools. You will see I have few different palette knives here. Some are long and straight, others are trowel shaped and angled. Each one will give you a different effect. Alright, let's get our hands dirty. We are going to start with the four foundational techniques that are the building blocks of any great palette knife painting. The first is flat drag. This is perfect for laying down smooth, solid blocks of color. Think of it like spreading butter on toast. You will load one side of your knife with a generous amount of paint, then holding the knife at the low angle to the canvas, you will simply drag it across the surface. See how you get that beautiful, clean layer of color. The key here is the consistent pressure. Next is the edge scrape. This is where we start building texture. Instead of the flat side, we are going to use the thin edge of our knife. Load just a little paint on the very edge. Now, with a light touch, scrape it across the canvas. Look at that. You get this incredible broken lines, a sense of energy and moment. It's fantastic for creating layers and suggesting form without being too literal. The next is dab and press, my personal favorite for creating rich impasto texture. The dab and press. Load a, gum, load a good amount of paint onto the tip of your knife, then simply dab and press it onto the canvas. Don't drag, just press and lift. You get this generous thick peaks of paint that catch the light in the most stunning way. The more paint you use, the more dramatic the effect. This is where you this is where your painting really starts to come live. Finally, let's talk about taking paint away. This is the classical technique called Scraffito. Once you have a layer of wet paint, you can use the clean edge or the tip of your knife to scratch back into it, revealing the color underneath. This is a brilliant way to add fine details, create intricate patterns, or just introduce another layer of history and complexity to your work. It's like drawing within your painting. So, what did we learn today? We learned how to lay down color with flat drag, create energy with edge scrape, build incredible texture with dab and brush, and add details with Scraffito. And remember, there are no mistakes in abstract art, only opportunities. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will not miss our next artistic adventure. So go and unleash your creativity, and I'll see you in the next video.